just kind of hanging from the tree here, as you can see over my shoulder. I still got to take a couple practice shots and see how that's going to work out for us. Still getting my sea legs here. It's a different feeling leaning out from the tree. Bingo is a good shot. It's hard to trust. I guess I'm too old. But you gotta really lean out, lean back, and trust it to get a shot on your strong side here. Two good shots, but boy, is it a different feeling. Leaning out here like this. I'm getting settled into the saddle a little bit better now. I found a position where I can sit. Got my knees against the tree, but it's definitely something to practice before your first hunt. I would think this is my first hunt and my first saddle sit, so just getting all the nuances versus a tree stand. First of all, you're completely opposite, so you're facing the tree rather than sitting away from the tree. There's nothing on your back, versus if you're in a tree stand, you're always leaning against your back. But it's definitely a system where once you get your system and get it refined, it's probably a lot of fun. I don't know if it's going to be for me, but I can definitely see the advantages of it. Going up the tree, not bad, easy. Getting in the tree, not bad, easy. This first time putting my gear in the tree though, I'm not sure where I want to put stuff, so that definitely takes some practice and get a groove going. It's a different way to hunt. It's definitely got its place, and I can see why it's so popular. For me personally, I'm going to continue probably to have my mobile tree stand set up. I like the ability to move around a little more. So I might work on a setup over the winter here next year, because you could really set up quick on a new spot. But for now, for me, I'm going to stick with probably my tree stand mobile setup. But this is fun. It's different. It's fun. It's kind of cool. As I sit more in this saddle, it's becoming more and more comfortable. I was really apprehensive at the beginning about leaning back on this, but now I can start to trust the stretch, the little bit of give that it has, make some adjustments, and I found where I can lean back by standing, and then I can go right down and sit in the tree and take the weight off the feet, put it on my butt. So that's pretty fun. That's good. One thing I did do though is I kind of put my platform on the wrong side of the tree. Like, I forgot you want to be. This is where you want to have your action, so that you're here and maybe over here. But I got all my action probably right here, so it's going to be hard to turn behind me. Whereas if I was turned on the tree a little bit, right, I should be facing out that way more. But again, first time, if you're thinking about saddle hunting, It's definitely a different process. It's different equipment. It's a few different things you gotta get used to versus tree stands, setting tree stands. It's kind of cool. Trent really likes it, so he's younger guy, 18 years old, you know. I'm 51, fairly good shape. I could be in better shape. It does have a little bit of a physical aspect to it. You just gotta build trust in the equipment. Versatile, definitely versatile. A lot of trees you can pick out on, especially when you're using the tree as cover. You can pick a nice straight one. You're not worried about so much hanging off the front of it. You can hide in behind the back if you do it right. I didn't do it right here, but let's go get them.